Good morning, Puels. Happy Monday. I am showing you now during our class time, looking at week 13. And when you see week 13, it's gonna be a little different. We have to start moving quicker in our pacing guide. There are 320 steps in our Acellus US History course. And I've been starting the beginning of the year only doing 2 lessons a week, slowing it down, mainly because we're spending a lot of time in National History Day, right? But I gotta start speeding it up, else we're not gonna finish. Anyway, you'll see Unit 3 now. It'll be Acellus 41, Lesson 43 on Monday. And then you notice on Friday, it'll be Lesson 45 and Lesson 47. There's another thing I'm gonna start doing is underneath each lesson, I will start posting, after you watch the video, I'm going to start posting notes to help you remember and keep track of your information with a lot of the pictures and maps that they use during the lesson will also be included in the notes I share with you. And it will help you when you go back and start answering the journal reflections. Because as you can see Monday, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bullets. You would start with Acellus lessons. So you can answer your journal question, right? Now, of course, this journal reflection was from last Friday when you studied about the Spaniards and how they traveled moving west, northwest, right? And a little bit about Bartolomeo de las Casas and his attempt. When you look back at that video, he was attempting in 1542 to try to create a peace type of a situation for the Native Americans because he saw how the Spaniards were slowly beginning to take over their culture and their customs, and he was trying to preserve them and live peacefully. Anyway, so you will do Acellus 41, 43, answer your journal question from last Friday's Acellus lesson. And then finally on the bottom, I have here the National History Day sources. These are sites. You saw these sites last week, but I want to encourage you to continue to look at them and see how you're able to navigate the sources. And on Friday, you'll see that there's a good video to watch on how to look at a primary source and dig into it, or actually a secondary source, and really dig into it to find the primary source. So here is your weekly pacing guide for week 13. And if there's anything you need, just email me or always jump on Zoom. It's a good time to be able to ask any questions or any clarifications. And it's a good way to increase your points in participation, because mid-quarter was done last week and a lot of students benefited from the ongoing participation grades, taking the time to jump on Zoom. So have a wonderful Monday, and I'll see you soon.